In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a hidden text formatting toolbar in Gmail. This quick tip is perfect if you want your emails to look polished, professional, and easy to read, but you don't immediately see the formatting options when you start typing. First, open your web browser and head to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log in so you land on your inbox. You'll know you're in the right place when you see your list of messages and the familiar Gmail interface. Next, start a new message. Look toward the upper left area of Gmail and click the Compose button. This opens a small message window in the lower right corner of your screen. This is where all the formatting magic happens. Now, focus on the bottom section of that Compose window. You'll see several icons lined up along the bottom toolbar. What you're looking for is the icon that looks like an underlined capital A. That stands for text formatting. If your window is very narrow, you might see fewer icons at first, but the underlined A should still be there along the bottom edge of the Compose box. Click the underlined A. The hidden formatting toolbar will expand right away, revealing a row of options you can use to style your message. You'll find tools for changing font style and size, adjusting text color and highlights, setting text alignment, and adding bulleted or numbered lists. There's also an option for quotations if you want to call out a specific line of text or reference a previous message. Use these tools to shape your email so it's clear and readable. For example, increase the font size slightly for headings or section labels, use bold sparingly to emphasize key points, and choose a text color or highlight only when it improves clarity. Lists are great for steps or responsibilities, and left alignment tends to be the easiest to read for most messages. If you make a change you don't like, simply switch back to the default options from the same toolbar. When you're finished formatting or want more space, click the underlined A again to hide the toolbar. The text you've already formatted will remain exactly as you set it, and you can bring the toolbar back anytime with the same click. That's all there is to it. Once you get comfortable with this toolbar, your emails will look cleaner, more professional, and much easier for your recipients to follow.